This week we're holding a vibe with Afrobeats Ugandan artist Bright D.
Yeah.
Welcome to the show, family. Tell us a little bit more about your music.
Yeah, I do Afrobeat, hip hop, dancehall. I mix up. Cause I grew up listening to everything.
So you're originally from Uganda?
Exactly.
Nice. Tell us a little bit about the scene there in Uganda.
Right now, the people that's popping over there, like from Jamaica. Let me tell, like we got Chronics, we got Coffee, like that popping over there. But we also got big artists out there. Like one of these my favorite artists right now popping in Uganda is called he goes by the name of A Plus.
So that's an Afrobeat artist?
Yeah,
Or
Afrobeat,
reggae?
like Afro reggae. He does Afro reggae.
Mm.
Yeah, and right now he's one of the best over there. And this other guy called Eddie Kansas, like they do Afro reggae, all fused up, reggae fused up with dancehall and Afrobeat.
So it sounds like people are pretty interested in reggae over there. Reggae, there's a lot of interest.
Yeah. Reggae is international,
Yeah.
You know the vibe.
How different is it for the dancehall scene? Is the dancehall scene also popular as well, or is it mainly reggae?
Definitely, bro. Dancehall, dancehall, reggae, all over the place over there. Yeah, when you go over there, the vibe is the same, almost like here.
Yeah.
You feel like you're Jamaica, like almost no different. Just maybe the language.
Yeah.
It's the same over there too. Yeah.
That's like, so you sound like you feel well at home here.
Yes, exactly. I feel like this is my second home right now.
What's the experience been like with you so far since you've been here? You've been getting a lot of work done, or just kind of enjoying the jerk chicken?
Not of course I've been enjoying these other things too.
Yeah.
But right now I'm just focused on my career.
Tell us a little bit about it. The song is called
Killing Me Slowly.
Killing Me Slowly.
Featuring Wizkid and Beanie Man.
Tell us about that. I mean, Wizkid is also a very popular Afrobeat artist as well, right?
Yeah, it's like right now the biggest Afrobeat. We got three of course, like we got a lot of Afrobeat artists, but right now like he's one of the huge.
Beanie Man is also a household name in dancehall over in Africa as well too.
International.
Yeah.
International is a legend everywhere you go.
What was it like knowing that you had the legend Beanie Man on the track?
Growing up, these are the people like when we was growing up, we were listening to him.
Yeah.
And now like what? I'm finna do a track with this man.
Yeah.
It's a blessing, You're like even up to now I'm still like, man, is it really happening?
How did you feel when you first got those vocals back?
First I wrote Trini, like it took a little while for us, because he was busy too, Beanie. So Trini told me, hey, we're gonna fix it, but I was kind of like, man, when is it gonna send the vocals? Because I want to finish up the track. And it took I think like almost a month,
Yeah.
And from nowhere I remember this, I was slipping,
Yeah.
And then I hear my phone ring, somebody texting me. Then I look at my phone, I said Trini, Beanie, vocals, man. I just hopped out of my bed. Man, I hopped like
jump out of the bed.
Then the first person I called was my mom. Because that's the first person I call always. I was like, Mom, the vocals came through with Beanie Man, like that.
My temperature rise, baby, you the kill me slide. So you the child that I need in my life.
Tell us about some other projects that you're working on right now.
Yeah, right now I also got another project that I released before putting out this track. It's called Mandula.
Mm-hmm.
This like I just put out like for the European fan base over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it's also hitting over there.
Yeah.
The time I came here, that's when I put out the record. But people are like hitting my phone like, man, this record is going crazy. The song is called Mandula, Kwabi featuring Bright D, Lee Foreign, and T11.
And I hear you're also traveling with some of your other artists as well too. Belinda, Wagwan Belinda.
Yeah.
Have a seat. What's up?
What's up?
So, describe your music to me.
Well, I do R&B, like kind of fused with Afrobeats.
Salty, she's so faulty. Keep doing you, girl, killing the slow.
Are you also from Uganda?
Yeah, I'm from Uganda.
Well, how did you get interested in that kind of music? With the R&B, reggae kind of tropical vibe.
I grew up listening to reggae, so like that was just like the small vibe like that I grew up with. So
yeah.
I kind of just had to.
And who were some of the artists that were kind of influential for you?
For me, Beyonce, of course.
How about
Yeah,
reggae wise?
Beyonce.
Any reggae artists that you kind of liked? Or listened to?
Of course, like Beanie Man. I love Vibes Cartel.
Wicked.
Yeah.
So it's your first time in Jamaica?
Onyx as well. Yeah, it's my first time.
How are you enjoying it?
Like a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want to stay here actually.
What's one of your favorite things about Jamaica?
One of my favorite things, I have to say, like, is just everything.
So you're looking forward to spending more time in Jamaica?
Man, actually we wanted to come here like for a short period of time, you know, but the things happening right now going on, saying, nah, man, if I go back, I'm gonna lose this opportunity, the things going on, so I decided to stay here till the end of the year.
Alright, so lastly now I want you to tell me what most makes Bright D intense.
I grew up in a music family. Music is in my blood and it's my everything.
I would say my good vibrations.
That's a good one. Uganda in Jamaica, Afrobeat.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Afrobeat, dancehall, all hip hop, everything.
Trouble that.